we are driving to my cousin's house in Słupsk, which is a good 3-hour drive. And I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to stop in a town called Lapalice, which is about an hour and a half from Malbork, where they have this abandoned castle. So someone tried to build this castle, I think in the 70s, and because they ran out of materials due to, I think it was communism or something like that, they couldn't finish it. And now it's an attraction, so people come in here and walking tracks and bicycle tracks and all that sort of stuff. So I might put the drone up and see how it all looks from the top. I've seen quite a few photos of this place, so it'd be interesting to check out. Come, let's have a look. How did you get up there?
You go upstairs and then you go upstairs.
Whoa, aren't you brave?
It is a little scary.
Don't go to the side.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming up. Salumi has obviously figured out a way to get to the top. She's more brave than I am.
Hi.
Oh my god. That's alright, let's do it. Obviously we've had a bit of graffiti here. Yeah, just be careful.
What is this for? A chimney?
That must have been...
The chimney?
No, it might have been for a lift. Put a lift in. All the way to the... Holy crap. That's high. That's a few stories high. Stay here. Stay. Stay. Let's keep going.
I need to show my friends this.
Careful. Alright, we're at the highest point. This is... Hey, be careful.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit freaking out because I'm not good with heights. I am not good with heights at all. So I think I'd rather put the drone up because, as I said, I'm not good with heights and my legs are starting to shake. Alright.
It is a little scary.
A little? Very scary.
Yeah, not that.
Well, for me it's very scary. Hold on, I'll go first.
Okay.
This isn't. This is.
Now, I think you're gonna drop your camera.
Okay, hold on. Well, we're at a high point, so time to take out the good old Mavic and have a look. Don't go near the side, please.
Okay.
There's a lot of glass here. People obviously come up here and have fires and beers and vodka and whatever. And they don't look after the place. They literally...
They spray paint here.
Spray paint everything,
lot.
graffiti it, throw rubbish away. I mean, it's nothing different to what people do in Australia, but I don't know. As a young person, I never did this sort of stuff. All right, here we go. That was fun. Oh, scary too though. Like I said, I'm super scared of heights, so that was extreme in my terms. Time to go to the next destination.